Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to add your Medicare card to Apple Wallet, step-by-step digital card and app setup guide. Method 1. Add a digital Medicare card from a supported health app. Step 1. Download and open your Medicare or government health app. Step 2. Now sign into your account. Step 3. Go to the Medicare card or digital card section. Step 4. Now tap Add to Apple Wallet if available. Step 5. Review the card details. Step 6. Tap Add to save the card to Apple Wallet. Step 7. Open Apple Wallet and check that the card appears. Method 2. Add a card through your healthcare provider app. Step 1. Open your healthcare provider or insurance app. Step 2. Now sign into your account. Step 3. Then navigate to insurance card, member ID, or benefits. Step 4. Tap Add to Apple Wallet if the option is available. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. Step 6. Then tap Add to save the card. Step 7. Open Apple Wallet to confirm it was added. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.